Hello world, Coco Martek here. So in this video, we are going to see if the Vivo V20 SE is good for vlogging. So right now we are preparing because we are going to Batangas for a staycation, overnight staycation, and we're going to vlog there to see what's inside that place. Let's get started and welcome back to another episode of Don't Forget to Like and Subscribe.
TT with Coco Martek.
Hey Google, turn off my lights. Oh boy. Oh my hot dog. Oh no. Got surprised. I'll see you tomorrow. Hot dog. Nice mga boy. Easy.
Say hi, Lulu.
So we are here already in our Airbnb place, and it's located in Barangay Bulaklakan, Purok 4 in Lipa, Batangas City. So if you want to visit this place, I'm actually doing a house tour video in my other YouTube channel, which is Marty Hernandez. So I think I'll be putting the link there. So if you want to see what this place really looks like, so you can visit that link. Right now I'm using the selfie video camera, which is 1080p 30 frames per second. Tell me, what do you think the quality looks like? So I think it's really a good selfie video camera, even though it's just 1080p. I think it's better than most of the 4K videos that I've seen so far, especially for the price points. If you're going to vlog with this phone using the selfie camera, you're getting good quality videos. This is the stabilization test for the rear main lens of the Vivo V20 SE. So there's no actually stabilization installed on the, well, any of the lenses, either the selfie or the rear lenses. So just a quick preview what the place looks like here. So this is 4K 30 frames per second, and we can do a 2x zoom. Handsome man. Okay, and then 2x zoom stabilization test. Of course, going to be shaky since there is no stabilization. Okay, so here is a place to hang out and a place to do video. Okay, here. Okay, so to get the best quality, I guess you have to use the rear lens for vlogging. But I think the selfie video test is more than capable enough for YouTube content, especially if you're just starting out and you don't have the budget to buy a DSLR or a mirrorless camera. That's why I'm doing these kinds of videos, because I really believe that mobile vlogging or smartphone vlogging is really enough just to make YouTube content. It's all about the content anyway. So we are now here at our main door. This is a sneak peek of the other one. Our place. Family room. This is where the TV is placed, so you can do some Netflix here. So that is included, in some casual games here. So now let's test out the ultra wide lens, if it's worth it. The quality for the ultra wide lens. This place is actually nice, and I really recommend you checking this place out. Ultra wide lens, you're actually getting 1080p videos with 30 frames per second. Oh, this is the kitchen and the dining area. And here on my left is our dirty kitchen, which is not really dirty. And you have the awesome view out there of the mountains and the greeneries and the foggy. So if you want to really relax, you might want to check this place out. Again, I'll be uploading a different video for the full house tour video. So anyway, So anyway, the ultra-wide lens. What I don't like about the ultra-wide lens is normally you're going to take a 4K video with the main lens, and then you're going to shift back to the ultra-wide lens, and the settings will be placed to 1080p. You're taking an ultra-wide lens, which is 1080p, and you want to shift to the main lens, you have to change the settings from 1080p to 4K settings. So you forget that the video that you'll be taking for the main lens is 1080p only. So that's one hassle thing about the software. So every time you're going to take a video for the main lens, you have to set the settings to 4K again, which is kind of a hassle. So just something worth noting. But still, comment down below what do you think of the quality of the ultra-wide lens. And of course, the audio quality and the stabilization, the overall composition of the video, the contrast, the saturation. It's actually a nice place and a large place, so it's really tiring to do the house tour video. So I did that when we arrived here, and now I'm doing another video for the vlogging with the Vivo V20 SE. And tomorrow I'll be doing another video in Lipa, Batangas, which is the Mount Malarayat Country Club. So if you want to check this place out, if you're into golfing or if you're into premium residential estates, I suggest you checking out my other YouTube channel, Marty Hernandez, for real estate content. Another stabilization test for the ultra-wide lens. And another stabilization test for the rear camera with 1080p video. And this is the stabilization test for the main lens 4K quality. So aside from the normal modes, which are the ultra-wide main lens and the 2x zoom, we also have other options or features like the time-lapse and the slow motion. So we're going to test that out right now. It's 5:30 p.m. and it's still raining. It's really unfortunate since we really want to swim during a very hot time. Really going near dark already, so we can test the low light camera real soon. We'll just keep swimming and let's just wait for the dark to come. Later.
Madilim? Oo nga. Mukha lang madilim dahil makulimlim. Nawala yung headphones. Okay, go. Kasi wala nang tao sa kabila eh. Okay na, nabibidyo na kita. Yun na yun?
Pinatay mo rin 2.
Anong to? Wait. Ano ginagawa mo? Mag-zoom mo? Zoom ko daw eh. Kunin ko na kaya yung pixel mo.
Sige.
Kunin ko na.
Yan na! Ay, shit! Mali pinuntahan ko!
Isang ito meron kalamok sa noo.
Ay, pasakari ko! Ayaw nga.
Beds na.
Ay, pasakari ko! Ayaw nga.
Beds na.
Ash Wednesday. Okay, so this is the video quality for the selfie camera during low light. So, actually it's still good. Surprisingly, it's better than most of the phones, more expensive than this one. So if you're really planning to vlog, of course you're gonna take some low light shots. And it's really dark right now. I don't think it's kind of obvious. The camera seems to just making it brighter, the sky, but it's really pitch black right now. So comment down below what do you think of the video quality for low light for the selfie camera. So this is the video quality for the main rear lens for the Vivo V20 SE. So comment down below. I cannot obviously see what is being shown in the screen because it's turned around since I'm using the main rear lens. I'll also show you how the ultra-wide lens look like during low light. So let's go. So this is the video quality for the ultra-wide lens. So I'm guessing it's going to be mushy and a lot of noise and artifacts since the low light for ultra wide is going to suffer more compared to the main lens of the Vivo V20 SE. So this is the video quality test for the selfie camera during indoors. So if you're going to vlog inside houses, this is what the quality will look like if you only have artificial lights. So comment down below. So this is the video quality test for the main rear lens during indoor shots or interior shots. So if you're going to vlog a lot inside houses with only artificial light lighting your environment or your face or your subject, this is going to be the quality. And this one is the ultra wide lens quality video for interior or indoor shots. For this video, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned a lot, and I'm kind of thinking if you can comment down below which do you prefer, longer or shorter videos. You can also comment down below the preference time or the duration of your videos that you are watching, so I can adjust for you to enjoy to watch my next videos. So again, my name is Coco Martek. This is the Vivo V20 SE vlogging. I'll see you in my next video, and keep safe.